What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of an Nvidia Shield TV Pro 2019 edition. I have been trying to get my hands on one of these puppies for a while, so this ought to be fun. Stick around. Welcome back to Kelly Tech. Today is a great day for me. I have been waiting forever to get my 2019 Shield Pro. Like, these things are hard to get. Everybody's buying them. I mean, you can get them, but they're like buying them and then selling them on Amazon for like 100 or 200 more than what they cost. So to get one for what they're worth or what they cost, which is $200, yeah, it's tough. So my advice is, if you're having a hard time getting one of these, go to Nvidia.com and find the section where you can sign up to get an email as soon as one's available. And then, I mean, you gotta hurry up and buy it, because they sent me the first email and I thought I was hurrying to buy it and it sold out. Like within 30 seconds, it was crazy. But I finally got one, so today's the day. So let's check it out. It's got the Nvidia Tegra X1 Plus processor. It's supposed to be 25% faster than the 2017 model. As you can see, what's inside, you just get the unit, the remote, and the charger or power supply. Kind of sucks. It's a Pro model that you don't get a remote with it, but it is what it is. 256 core GPU, Atmos. See, I think that's new too, Dolby Atmos. That isn't on the 2017 model. 3 gigs of RAM. I believe that's the same as the 2017. Now this is where it goes haywire. 16 gigabytes of storage. My 2017 Pro came with a 500 gigabyte hard drive. So that's, yeah, they could have done a little better there. USB 3.0 expandability. 802.11 AC dual band MIMO Wi-Fi. Gigabit Ethernet. Bluetooth 5.0 plus LE. So just to give you an idea, I think really the only differences is the Atmos, the storage. I believe that's it. It's really the only real difference. Oh yeah, processor's supposed to be a little faster. All right, let's open her out. Man, I'm stoked. I've been waiting forever. I didn't think I was ever going to get one of these things. I mean, crazy. The thing was really vacuum packed in there. All right. There's the new remote everybody's going crazy about. It's smaller than I thought it was. I don't really have big hands. Small. Got your power menu, select, D-pad, back. Yeah, it's pretty basic. Mic, volume up and down, play. That flex button, of course. Looks like it's got speaker up here. We shall see. Yep, pull the whole top back. Takes 2 AAAs, which are included. Installed in the box too. That's kind of odd. And look at this little bitty guy. Oh my goodness, it's adorable. I didn't really think it was going to be this small. This thing is tiny, man. Holy moly. Well, yeah. That's crazy. Alright, back to the box. That is absolutely crazy how small that is. I did not expect that. It's like a little baby. Alright. And charging. Power supply. Quick start guide. Support guide. I think I got that under control. And that is it. That's all you get. So, now that we have that out of the way, and this little cutie pie out here, it's kind of funny. Yeah, I'll give you an idea. Look at that. That's a lot bigger. Jeez. Yeah, it just sits in the corner of it. But this has a 500 gigabyte hard drive in it, and this has a 16 gigabyte RAM on the board. So, yeah, kind of bummed about that. But let's take a look at the back. See if there's any much difference going on here. Power, HDMI, and Ethernet are switched. You got 2 USB 3.0s on both. On the older 17 model, you got, looks like SD card slot, and this is for your Android style plug. So it actually has less connections. But there they are. So pros here on the newer one: faster processor, Dolby Atmos, and that's pretty much it. Pros on this one: it has the 500 gigabyte hard drive. Apparently it's not as fast, and it doesn't have Dolby Atmos, but everything else is the same. Here's the old remote. You guys remember that? Here's the new remote. So, I have to say it was pimped because it was all skinny and sleek and made out of metal. This one on the left here, it's an old school one, 17. Yeah, but I think I like this one. It just kind of fits in your hand good. I don't know. We shall see. A lot more functionality out of the newer one. And my older model, the 2017, came with a remote. Everybody knows this remote that has a shield, probably. They're kind of pricey. I think they're like 60 bucks. It's kind of insane because I can get an Xbox controller for, I think they're on sale right now for like $39 or something. But anyways, I've only had it, I guess it's been 3 years. And already the left thumbstick's going a little wacky and the B button sticks. So It's not perfect, but I do game a lot. But that is the unboxing of the 2019 Nvidia Shield TV Pro. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And as always, have a tech day.